We're on the ground floor walking in the front door. Doors and windows show up in about 2 weeks. This is for my kid and his 2 roommates. They're going to be living here for the next 3 years as they go to college. But you can see the thickness of the wall here, 2x6 stud wall with another air barrier, primary air barrier on the outside. The blue skin is the WRB and secondary air barrier. So that's going to have 6 inches of rock wool all the way around. And the air barrier is plywood that's been anchored to the carré bois, which in Quebec is how they used to build for 100 years, which is essentially stacked, 3 by 12 hunks of wood that made all of the exterior and party walls. And so we salvaged those walls, put an air barrier on the inside, tied that air barrier to a slab that we poured with, I forget how much, but a lot of insulation. We've got radiant in the floor, but I'm going to use a tiny boiler backed up with a heat pump water heater here for really just, I think it'll probably do all the heat for the building. But here are those radiant tubes coming up inside this mechanical wall. This is a bathroom. I just finished all the plumbing, all the water lines and the drain lines, condensate lines, just got mini splits, kind of filling the space. These are just these kind of floating closet boxes with glass above them. So it's a really tiny space, about 900 square feet. And I needed 2 bedrooms, so they needed to be on the outside of the wall. Anyway, kitchen will be here, yes, in 3 weeks. They move in September 1st. And got our ERV with our supply and exhaust ducts going here temporarily. There'll be an addition on the back, but temporarily the supply will be high and the exhaust will be low. Mechanical room, heat pump water heater in there. And all those duct runs going to living spaces and bedrooms. So this is the first floor.